So guys, I want to explain how I got into this trade here. I think this is my last entry for this whole trend. We got a sell from here at around $2,200, and then I had more entries. We had a second entry here, we had a third entry here, we had a fourth entry here, and this is the final entry. Though this is where I'm supposed to take my profit, but I'm going to extend it down here. Here is for a little account that I'm trading, so I'm going to take profits for here. With the other account that I'm holding these other entries, I just removed the stop loss for this trade and then I'm letting it run down. So when we took this trade, it was in this particular candle where you have this down arrow pointing. So what I saw was this rejection from this other candle. This is a candle 2. You rejected from this other the previous 4 candles high, and then closed this way. When this other candle opened, that's when I was looking for entry. And this reaction, we got it at this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Now we move to the 30-minute time frame. That's where I went to check for my breakout structure. 4-hour time frame, I just wait for the candle 2 closure. Then the 30-minute time frame is where I check for the breakout structure. And when it's candle 3 wanted to open, we had a breakout structure already, and that's what I like to see. When a candle 3, before the candle 3 opens or before the candle 2 closes, that we must have had a breakout structure already. And this is on the 30 minutes time frame. We had a sweep of liquidity, breakout structure. These are CISD, changing state of delivery, and then price reacted off of this 30 minutes bearish fair value gap after giving us a CISD. And that's what we're looking for, because when a bearish candle forms, it opens, creates a high, then creates a low, then closes, like here on the 4-hour time frame. This is the open, and it creates a high, which is this wick here, this little wick here, goes down, creates a low, then closes up. Let me use this arrow so that you see. Okay, creates this, opens here, creates a high this week, comes down, creates a low, and then closes above that low. So on the 30 minutes time frame, after price has broken structure and it retraces, we are now trying to capitalize on that retracement. That's a new 4-hour candle, the high that it's about to create. So 4-hour time frame, we check for the direction and how price reacts. After we've gotten a rejection on a candle 2 during candle 3, we look for an entry. 30 minutes time frame, look for a breakout structure. Then my entry is on the 5-minute time frame. After this line here, this vertical line here, this is where the third candle 3 for a 4-hour time frame started. So it opened here, went up here, tapped into this 30 minutes fair value gap, and then closed this bearish. This is my confirmation. This engulfing candle, this bearish engulfing candle, closing below this up close candles, these 2 up close candles, close below. Then I took an entry on the opening of this candle, but I did not put my stop loss here. I took it high above this liquidity that was swept. This liquidity, look it above. That's where I place my stop loss. Place it above that liquidity, and then my take profits is at this liquidity here, this low. That's for 3.38. And checking this guy here, think I sent it out. I dropped it. Okay, this when the new candle must have, the third candle 3 must have created a high and then confirmed. This is it. This is a 30 minutes time frame. Had a break of structure, and then that week now. We inside that week is where we have a 5 minutes time frame up and down movement. This is it. This is when it closed below, and we took an entry, and price already started retracing bits. I knew it was still going to go down, so I held on to it. This was the entry after it closed. Because of spread, it moved my entry below where it's supposed to be, and that's where it kept a stop loss. And if you check, okay, this is when price has already started moving in our favor. And currently, this is the trade. Yes. Is it right? Yes. This is the trade. Let me check. Yes. This is the trade. This one. Wait, is it the, yes. Okay. I took the trade here. Since this one is an additional entry for this swing trade, I just moved the stop loss and I'm holding till the extreme low, the swing low. On the daily time frame, these are swing low. I closed the previous trades. It took trades from up here already. Let me check if I'll get it. Sorry. Trade history. Okay. Check, we took trades from here. Took partials. Place an entry. Close. This is the most recent one that we placed this week. We are still holding. So just want to hold and see how to turn out. If you get another entry, you're going to enter it. Probably I don't think I'm going to enter any other trade again. I'm not going to place any entry because it's almost close to a take profit and I want to risk it. Any deep retracement now, we are going to be in a loss, so I'm still just going to hold this once. How far was the price is supposed to move my? Okay. So that's it, guys. That's it on the trade I took this week. Okay, I've not explained something. That's it. This is it. About the trade I took today. This is just it. Just a continuation to the downside. Price retrace to a fair value gap. Waiting for a candle 2 on the 4-hour time frame to give us a sign that it's going to continue downwards. Then on the candle 3, confirm on the 30 minutes time frame that it's already giving us a break of structure. Then on the retracement, we now go to the 5-minute time frame and look for a confirmation, which we got after this 5 minutes engulfing candle close below. That's our entry, stop loss above this high where we took out our liquidity, and then we hold all through. That's same entry I'm having on all other entries. Where is it? Okay, daily time frame. This is it. Same thing on this other one. This is a candle swept the previous daily high. This one is the day trade. This one is a swing trade. Swept the previous day's high, closed bearish. And then on the third candle is we go to a 4-hour time frame and check if price has already broken structure, and price did already. Because if you check, this is low, high, higher low, higher high. This higher low failed to create. I think we had an SMT divergence here with BTC. So this low now was broken through. These are changing market structure, or CISD, changing state of delivery. And we had that before the third candle, yes, candle 3 on the daily time frame. And then when it closed below again, that's You know the price open here, give us a little wick and close below. This is where I took my entry. So I placed an entry there. My stop loss initially was up here. Then as price kept tanking, then I brought it down here. If this, why I haven't moved this stop loss down here is because this is an intraday move. So this is a day trade, so I can't move my stop loss because if you want to have a retracement on the daily time frame, you're already creating a fair value gap there, and price is going to give us a deep retracement, and we'll be taken out. So if we have the same move, in this daily move, a higher time frame move here, and I place another entry, that before it hits this stop loss, or this take profit, then I can place another entry and then move this stop loss to the new higher low. Yes, I'll move the stop loss to a new higher low and then hold. But I don't think so. I think price is going to just go straight to take profit. So let's just wait and see. So that's it, guys, on this trade. Thank you.